Oh hey, it's me Olive, your Pride princess, and welcome back to my channel. Pride is coming to an end. Do you know what that means? It's time to kick off the summer season the right way with a makeup tutorial. So in today's video, I thought we'd be cool for the summer and be a blue bikini bottom beach babe. So if you would like to see things get a little fishy, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, you know the drill. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more drag and pride fun. So I'm gonna go do my base off camera, glue these brows down, do all mesh. I'm gonna go map out one of these eyes as well. So I'm gonna go do that and I will be right back. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have my base all done, one eye complete. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm gonna show y'all how to get it. All right, then, like for this look, I decided to go like summery, bright, fun. Listen, summer is here, so I wanted to wear like a bikini. Listen, she's that girl. We all knew it. So let's get into it. Today I'm using the Trixie Cosmetics Daytime Realness palette to get this beautiful blue rhinestone gorgina like eye. Yeah. First I'm gonna map out my liner. I'm taking the shade Channel Surfer on a fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and going into the crease. So before I make any mistakes, I'm gonna place some translucent powder just under to catch any fallout. Next I'm switching to a slightly denser brush and I'm using the same shade and fanning out towards the wing. And once I get to that wing, I'm slightly flicking it up. And I like doing it like in between the eyebrow and the eyeliner. I know like most people don't have their eyeliner go out to their eyebrow, but it's drag, baby. Citizen girl. That's been popping because it's summer. You know what else be popping in summer? This booty. Because she's what? Vaxxed, waxed, and ready to get back to business. Next I'm taking that fluffy brush and I'm dipping into the shade Weather Girl and blending out that blue. Next I'm taking the shade Tako from Sugarpill and I'm placing that on my brow bone. And I'm just using this to highlight everything. I love blue eyeshadow. I may have just broken the palette. Yikes, it's okay. It's okay. Next I'm taking the shade Cut the Cameras on a super dense brush and I'm placing that lower in the crease just to create depth. This will also help map out where I'm going to cut the crease. And once you have that shade placed, you can start blending her out. Gorge. Next I'm dipping it back into the shade Channel Surfer and blending that out. Dipping back into the shade Weather Girl and blending that out. Don't be afraid to really get it into the eyebrow. I feel like that's what really brings the look together. Otherwise, you can end up looking like this. That's not directed towards anyone. All right, I'm gonna cut the crease off camera to save some time and I will be right back. Cute. And I'm placing the shade Static all over my lid. Liner. So I'm gonna quickly just line my eye, just very faint, just a petite line for a woman. Quickly set that with some black eyeshadow. And with the black eyeshadow, I'm gonna marry the two liners. Now when I open my eye, you meet. A lot of queens like fill in like their entire like eyelid, but I like keeping that space to make my eyes look like more open. Honestly, it's just a preference. Next I'm taking a black liquid liner and I'm extending my inner corner. Right under that, I'm taking a white liner to extend my inner corner as well. And then after that, I'm taking a white liner and I'm placing that in my waterline. And after I'm done with all of that, I'm taking another liner and I'm lining under the white liner. And with a dense brush, I'm taking the shade, And with a dense brush, I'm taking the shade Channel Surfer and I'm blending that out. Oh, I'm so gorgeous. Truths come out. Sorry about it. Next I'm dipping into the shade Cut the Cameras and I am deepening that up. Smoking it out. Speaking of smoking it out, that's a fun summer activity. And I'm just meeting the nose contour and the eyeshadow now. Next, I'm just outlining my liner with some white liner just to make it pop and extend my eye and open it up. Next, I place some lash glue in 4 dots above the liner and 2 dots below, just to place some rhinestones. Why not make this look sparkle? I'm so excited for this summer because like things are open, well, opening, starting to get more comfortable, going out and doing things. So baby steps. Time to curl your lashes.
Time to curl your lashes. Time to curl your lashes.
I'm gonna go do my mascara and lashes off camera to save some time, and I will be right back. All right, as you can see, I have my lashes on and the look is coming together. Now to do the finishing touches, I'm adding a little more blush. And I mixed like a peach with like an orange just to warm everything up. And something about orange and blue together is just so gorgeous. Do it around the jaw, chin, hide the man, bring out the woman. My favorite part, beauty marks. Oh, those just bring the look together. Little bronzer, warm everything up, just on the high points of the face. And plus your girl has a tan right now, so we have to pretend the foundation matches. Now we can lock that all in with some setting spray. And after that, I'm just placing a little highlighter on the high points of my face. All right, I'm gonna go get my drag on and I will be right back with the finished look. All right, y'all, this cool for the summer Blue Beach Babe look is all finished. How do we feel about it? I feel like a 50s like pinup, but like put through time and like taught the makeup skills of today. So like she's a time traveling like model. Girl, this is like so pretty. Like I love blue eyeshadow. Makes me feel so gorge. And then the rhinestones just like catch the light so beautifully. And then just like orange and blue just look so good together. Also a brown lip again. She loves a brown lip. My signature. Well, not really. Do I have a signature lip? Probably not. And I decided to pair it with this like sparkly necklace because, you know, she needed to cover the man chest a little bit. And it went with the earrings and like the bracelet and everything. Don't look, I didn't put on a nail. Sue me. And then I made this like little bathing suit. She's cute. She's like high-waisted. Show off my body. I also have like an attachment to make it a dress because I'm what? Still extra, so it's drag, baby. What do you want? Oh, I feel so pretty. Let me know how you feel about the look in the comment section below. Let me know what you're doing this summer. Are you guys going out? Are you guys having fun? Are you guys forgetting COVID existed? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more Dragon Pride fun. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.